All the subtle flavors of my life have become bitter seeds and poison leaves without you. You represent what's true. I drain the color from the sky and turn blue without you. These arms lack a purpose, flapping like a hummingbird. I'm nervous 'cause I'm the left eye, you're the right. Would it not be madness to fight? We come one.
Step off the train, walking down your street again, past your door, but you don't live there anymore. It's years since you've been there. Now you disappeared somewhere. I got a space, found some better place, and I miss you. Like the deserts miss the rain, and I miss you. Oh, like the deserts miss the rain. And could you be there? You always were 2 steps ahead of everyone. Would walk behind while you would run. I look up at your house, and I can almost hear you shout down to me where I always used to be. And I miss you. Like the deserts miss the rain, and I miss you. Like the deserts miss the rain. It's gonna take me up. It's gonna take me up night to night. It's gonna take me up night to night. It's gonna take me up night to night. It's gonna take me up.
In you, the song which rights my wrongs. In you, the fullness of living. The power to begin again from right now. Right now, right now. In you, in you, in you, in you, I'm unafraid, never scared. Warriors washed, pressed, aired. I am the left eye, you're the right. Would it not be madness to fight? We come one.
Like the deserts miss the rain, and I miss you.
We come one.
Like the deserts miss the rain, and I miss you. Yeah. Like the deserts miss the rain, and I miss you. Like the deserts miss the rain.